everyone, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today is a really easy, simple 5-minute tutorial. It's a little bonus tutorial that I wanted to do for Christmas, and it's painting these little Christmas trees. It doesn't currently have any ornaments, but that is up to you. I just want to show you how to paint basically a tree that you can use for Christmas. I have been painting Christmas things over the weekend, and I wanted to show you how I painted this Christmas tree. And in a very simple, straightforward tutorial, you can use it for like Christmas cards or just for your own little decoration. And it literally takes like 5 minutes. So I wanted to just show you, and let's just jump right into tutorial. It literally takes like 5 minutes. So what we're doing is using some indigo and some cadmium yellow and creating this beautiful green. So here we go. Okay, so that is the first base layer, and now I am going to just grab some just pure indigo and I'm going to mix it in to give it contrast. A little bit more. Especially kind of in the middle where the tree is supposed to be more full. And at the bottom to create like a shadow, like it's dark in there, like in the bottom of the tree it's darker, you know? Let's add a little bit of yellow just for a little bit more contrast down here, a little bit more like sappy green. All right, so don't overwork it, and like after it's dry, we'll go a little bit with another layer to define a little bit of these blobs. And that'll be it. So now we are going to use some brown for the trunk. Let me add a little bit more water. And a mixture of this, and red will give you a brown. So a little bit of red, a little bit of indigo, a little bit of orange. Yellow will give you a nice brown. So we're just gonna go ahead and very loosely do the trunk. Very nice. Maybe add a little bit of trunkness here. That's nice. It looks like a tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse this a little bit. I think it's a little bit too rough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like add some water, and then that's it. Just give it a little bit of a gradient at the bottom. Nice. Now for the very last step, so it doesn't look so blobby. Now I see that it's dry, so I'm just gonna grab just indigo, like a very high value of indigo, and just gonna go very lightly and just add a few more swooshes to give it a little bit more contrast and shadows, and the blobs don't look so blobby. And that's it. Then you can add your little ornaments, or you can just add a little star up here, or you know, you can just do some other things if you want. Actually, let me just add with a little bit more brown and indigo. I'm just gonna add a little bit of shadow kind of here for the tree, so it kind of looks like it has texture. That's it, just a little bit, just for extra texture on the tree. And that is all. I really hope you enjoyed this cute little tutorial, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Okay, bye.